If you're looking for a very practical way to be able to stretch out your back on your own, I'm going to show you how we put together this back stretcher by SEXIEE, and then I am going to show you how we use it. I did want to point out though that while this was designed to be able to use as a back stretcher, you can also use this as some additional lumbar support to be able to place right behind you if you're sitting in a chair that's similar to the one that I have in now. So I definitely like the fact that we can multi-purpose this. Something great with this is just how customizable it is in order to be able to meet your specific needs. I'll show you how we go through the different levels. Assembly is very simple because there's only two pieces. We have the main portion here, and then we also have this. This pad was designed in order to be able to provide some additional support, especially as we're stretching with the additional texture. It's going to feel incredible on the back. You'll see that we have these tabs right here on either side. All we do to install this is we just come over here and we insert this right onto either side. Once you put everything all the way through, this is what it should look like. Then we'll just come over to the other side and do exactly the same thing. You'll notice that we have the texture that's all the way through with this silicone portion here in the middle. You'll notice that as things are right now, it's completely flat. Right here it says this is the direction that we go for high, this is the direction that we go for low. So right now we're on the lowest setting, so if we want to go high, all we need to do is to use this right here, and then we can come over here and then twist it, and then you just push this over, and we're going to keep twisting this until we get our desired height. I definitely like how easy this is to be able to use. Once you've reached the desired height that you want this to go, I did want to point out that it's important for this pin to be flat. If it's not flat, then we might run the risk of this hitting the bottom and things not being flat where it needs to be. So I do recommend just to twist it enough to where everything lays flat on here. This is the level of intensity that I chose. I absolutely love all of the different nubs and textures on this because it truly feels like you're getting a little bit of a massage as soon as you lay down on this. Sometimes I'll use this with my knees bent, sometimes I'll keep them straight. It really just depends on how I'm feeling. Something that I've noticed after using this on a consistent basis is that when I wake up in the morning, my back is not nearly as uncomfortable as it usually is, and this is the only thing that I've changed in my routine. I think this is fantastic quality. I'm glad the company sent me this one to try, and hopefully this helps.